Like those answering machines when you call someone and there's no answer. It's like Rogers or something like that, and the answering machine comes on. Hello, the person you are trying to get is not available. Please leave a message. Anyway, just by saying hello, that reminded me of that. So welcome to another episode of Beer Show NB. Et bienvenue à un nouveau épisode de Beer Show NB. À soir, je n'en fais un autre épisode de Flying Boats de Chidiac. Tonight I'm doing another episode of Beer Show NB of Flying Boats from Chidiac, the Flying Boats. That would be cool, actually. Somebody would invent a flying boat. I know you got your cars that transform into an airplane. Well, what about a boat that transforms into a plane? Well, there is a plane that was on the. There was most like a flying boat. It was the Spruce Goose from Howard Hughes in the 50s or 60s. So probably that would tie into that, a flying boat. Chez les années 50-60, whatever, Howard Hughes avait fait c'était un avion, ben ça volait pas pour longtemps, so, c'est comme un bateau qui vole, flying boat, tu veux dire. Fireside Friend Winter Warmer. We are winter, and I want to be warmer. This stands at a 7% ABV. Ça tient à un 7% pourcentage d'alcool. Description. Full-bodied old stock ale with caramel, nutty, and molasses flavors. Brewed with real cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves. And plein. Body. Old stock ale avec caramel. C'est nutty. Les nutties comme les peanuts. And old and molasses. La mélasse, flaveur de mélasse. Brewed with real cinnamon. C'est brassé avec de vraie cannelle, nutmeg, de gingembre, puis des cloves. Ça sent bon enfant, blablabla. Dieppe, Nouveau-Brunswick. Water, barley, hops, yeast, molasses, and la mélasse. Chez Petit Saut, je pense que c'était la Buck-Jove. La Buck-Jove. La bouteille. Ça? Non, c'est pas ça. La Buck-Jove était la mélasse, puis j'ai aimé ça. Petit Saut and Evanston had la Buck-Jove infused with molasses. I liked it. It's a different taste, but you gotta like molasses to enjoy it. So t'aimes la mélasse. So I'm gonna open it up. Oh yeah. You can smell it, but it's there. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna use my Flying Boats of glass. There you go. It's a winter warmer. Time to take the picture. Be right back. This was very quick. Picture. Because I want to taste it. Stop shaking. There you go. I'm the one that's drinking and the camera with the stand is shaking. So, this one has molasses, full-bodied old stock ale, caramel, nutty with molasses flavors, brewed with real cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger and cloves. So, on va goûter quoi ça a l'air. Right now, I'm getting that molasses. cinnamon there. Mixed in with that clove. I But the nutmeg, okay, it's after the cinnamon part. Ooh. Oh, now, yeah, holy shit, now you taste it. Molasses, then the cinnamon kicks in and gives that, like, type of, kind of warm feeling. Then it gets to that thickness, like the molasses, mixed in with that taste of nutmeg. I got that clove very really in the background. C'est bon! Comme j'ai dit, le goût, tu goûtes un petit peu la melasse. Pour ça, ça saute. Le cannelle right now. Très resteuse avec le cannelle. Pour ça, là, comme dans le... En arrière, comme j'ai le clove, je sais pas comment dire ça en français. Dans l'arrière-goût, ben, j'ai le goût du nutmeg là aussi, un petit peu dans l'arrière. Wow! I don't mind this at all. Ça me dérange pas en tout. Yeah, it looks like a color like a stout or like a black IPA, or some would say probably have you ever tried that swamp water? Anybody that works in the fast food, I know I've done it when I worked at Burger King a long time ago when it was open in Atherville. I would swamp water. I put root beer, iced tea, crush, 7 Up. What else? A bit of Diet Coke, all together, and it would give me about the same color as this. Um, but this tastes better. Je sais de tout le monde qui travaille dans le métier de fast food, comme un McDonald's ou quelque chose de même. Comme moi, je travaillais au Burger King à Attelville longtemps passé quand c'était ouvert. J'appelais ça Swamp Water. Je mêlais de la iced tea, je mêlais de la Coke, de la Orange Crush, puis d'autres affaires. Puis ça me donnait un goût, hein, c'était pas pire. Mais ça goûte meilleur. I'm not saying this is swamp water. I'm saying this is good. It's not as thick as the Buck Jev from Petit Saut. Petit Saut one was very spot on. That one's almost there. Le médecin de Petit Saut, le Buck Jev, c'est un petit peu moins épais que ça, que moi je trouve, mais c'était bon. Elle est pas pire, elle est là. I don't remember what I gave the note. But this one, yes, it stands at a 7%. Ça se tient à 7%. I like strong beer. um, but this one, I drink a couple of cans of these. Well, I should say a few cans of these. Je n'en boirais plus que deux. Ça, c'est pour sûr. Euh, J'aime l'affaire qu'ils ont mis le goût de la melasse dedans. Puis la cannelle. I like the fact that they put molasses in and the taste of cinnamon. When I was younger, I would take cinnamon sticks and just chew on it. Quand j'étais plus jeune, je prenais juste des bâtons de cannelle puis je mangeais dessus. Parce que j'aime la cannelle aussi. This, I would say, would go good with a nice slice of apple pie, cinnamon apple pie. Avec ça, une bonne tarte aux pommes au cannelle. Il irait bien avec ça. Yeah, I don't have to imagine the taste of apple pie because I love apple pies with cinnamon. I can just get the feeling, the taste in my mouth. Yep. That would be good. Ça serait bon en tabarouette. J'ai pas besoin d'imaginer. Je sais déjà comment que ça coûte une tarte aux pommes au cannelle parce que j'aime des tartes aux pommes. Hell yeah. So for that, I'm going to edit another episode. I'm giving it a 9. See, it's starting to get to me. Je donne ça un 9. C'est probablement le dernier épisode ce soir. See, it's all done. A 9, a 9. Flying boats. This one is good. You guys keep up the good work. I know I want to do an official one of the Flying Sasquatch. Because when I visited, I did the Flying Sasquatch. I think it's been too long there. I wanted to do that. The Flying Sasquatch with the fireside friend winter warmer is good. Je sais quand j'étais à visiter les autres 2019, je pense. Flying Boats, j'avais fait la Flying Sasquatch. Puis je voulais faire une review, mais ça m'a pas à donner encore. Ça va venir. Ça va venir. So, the Winter Warmer, 9, and Winter Warmer, 9. You guys, keep up the good work. Gardez, keep up the good work. Continuez le beau travail. Bye bye, salut, and see you guys on the next episode.